Okay, today guys, we're going to be going over the differences between our 3 whites. Let's go. 3 whites, please, kind sir. Okay, let's start with WD1, mixing white. Mixing white is primarily used exactly as the name says. It is for mixing into other colors. So if you want to achieve like sky blue or a baby blue from straight blue colored pigment, you would add some drops of mixing white to get there. If you want reds to become pinks, if you want greens to become turquoises and teals, this is what you use to mix it. It works well with all inks, primarily formulated for ours, obviously, to mix into our colors, but this one definitely should be used as a mixing white. The consistency of it is super, super thin. Some people use it as white straight for highlights. We don't necessarily recommend it because it's not going to heal quite as bright because of the thin consistency. It's primarily made strictly for mixing into other colors to achieve different tones and stuff. So that is mixing white. Next is our heavy white. Heavy white is called heavy white because it is heavy. It is very, very thick. It's very, very dense. It's very difficult to tattoo straight. So what we always recommended, if this is what you would use for white highlights. So if you're going to use this for white highlights and you like a thicker or thinner consistency, what we do is we recommend you got heavy white, you mix whatever proportions you like of our mixing white into it to achieve the consistency that you like, and that will give you a perfect white for whatever hand speed and everything that you need for your style of tattooing. Now, our most recent white is basically the perfect mixture, pre-mixed of these two. So what we did was we took our heavy white, mixed with our mixing white, and achieved the consistency that's super creamy, super easy to work with, flows awesome, and heals super, super bright and lasts really long time as far as whites go. So for triple white, it's basically a pre-mixed version of what you can achieve yourself if you were doing it with these two. Definitely try this one, getting a lot of good reviews on it. That's our whites explained. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to comment below and we'll try to make some more videos for you.